Let's create an event. We pick the date on the calendar, in this case a Saturday. We give the dinner a name and note that 30 people are coming. Then we record the guests' allergens, organized in groups. At this table, there's one person who can't have gluten, two who can't have gluten or dairy, and they're recorded together in a single group with both allergens, and one more who can't have dairy. With that done, we choose the menu. A pea starter, hake in green sauce with its aioli, and cheesecake for dessert. We also add a grilled hake with no gluten and no dairy. Since the green sauce has flour in it, we prepared 27 servings, and the other 3 grilled. The app calculates the cost from the real servings and keeps the conflict warning in plain view. Events can be viewed 3 ways: as a list, in a table that lays the week out day by day, or on the month's calendar. You have a search box that filters as you type, and a filter to see all your events, only the upcoming ones or the past ones. And when a booking comes in, you can tell the assistant directly. Create an event on Friday for 12 people with a hake, and a group of 2, no gluten, no dairy. The event creates itself, with its allergy group and its cost. Finally, look at the panel on the right. With the dishes assigned, the app calculates what the shopping for these events is going to cost and how many servings each recipe carries. That shopping list is exactly what we'll see in the next video.